Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Cloud Mining. First, create and verify your Binance account, and then enable two-factor authentication for security. Next, decide your budget and fund the correct wallet with the currency required for the mining plan you choose. Finally, review available cloud mining contracts, compare hash rates, fees, and payout schedules to make a practical selection that fits your goals and risk tolerance. When choosing a plan, start by comparing hash rate, contract length, and upfront cost to find balance between risk and reward. Look closely at maintenance fees and how often payouts occur, since fees reduce net profit. Use a conservative estimate for mining difficulty trends and calculate realistic returns rather than optimistic projections. Consider reinvesting small portions of earnings to compound growth, and diversify across shorter and longer contracts for flexibility. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your drive smelling great and your commute more enjoyable. It pairs nicely with long setup sessions or troubleshooting when you need a breather. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Managing rentals means staying engaged with your dashboard and tracking daily payouts to catch anomalies early. Set alerts for drops in performance or unexpected fee changes so you can pause or adjust contracts quickly. Withdraw profits on a regular schedule to reduce exposure and secure gains, and keep an emergency fund to cover maintenance fees if needed. Periodically reassess contract performance and reallocate funds based on market conditions and your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.